Hi guys, very good morning. Today I will discuss about the networking. What is the network? How to create the network assign in the Linux? And there are multiple types of the networking is there. So right now we have discussed the networking, the how to configure the network, what is the configuration file of the network is there. What will we use for the network? Networking is the part of the connectivity of the one host is there. So without network we cannot do work actually, because network is a mandatory of the connectivity of the servers and the system is there. Computer are the connected to a network for to access information to resource each other. Means we are able to log in the another server. So in this case we are mandatory for the connectivity of the network. So two or more computer connected through the network media called computer network. There are number of the network devices or media involved to the form computer network. Computer loaded with the Linux operating system can also be a part of the network. Whether it is a small or large network, it is multitasking and multi-user natures. Maintaining of the system and network up and running is a task of the systematic. You know, if in case we have to do two types of the configure the network, small basis and large basis. Large basis like as the 1000 plus 1000 mode system. The large basis the connectivity of the network one host to another host, another system is there. And second thing is small basis like that we are interior of the organization, like the interior one 3 server, 4 server, 5 server, 5 system is there. The connectivity is mandatory. Without connect network the connectivity, the communication we cannot do work or the another system, another server, anything. Without we cannot transfer the data without connectivity of the network, without connectivity of the system. If in both system connectivity of this network areas multiple requirement of the system, and you know both server connectivity is communicate one host to another host. In this case we can do transfer the data and we can do communicate the servers and we can do network the configurations on this side. First of all, if we have two servers, in case one host to another, we can transfer the data in transfer to data. In this case, we are mandatory the network connectivity on both server in between, and there is the configuration file of the you can see here the display, and this is the configuration file of the etc sysconfig network -escape ifc with the network and network name right now. So we are going to the practically on the server how to configure the network on this system. So just hold on. Yeah, now this is my server. So give the root password. Yeah, we are able to log in the servers, but first of all, which is the config file of the networks command is there, cd/etc/sysconfig sysconfig just etc/sysconfig network hyphen script network hyphen ifcfg. This is not ifcfg. You can check it. Go to this file and we are check this how much network is there available on the site. There are multiple types of the network is here in this config files, and how to find out the which network assigned in our system. So we can check this multiple. So there's the command is there. You can check the nmcli command is there. nmcli connection show. So there is the by default the connection is able to here, and my network is there. There is no any connection is there. First of all, we can check this IP space A command. Check this IP address. There is my network ENS. This is a network card is there. So there is no any IP address for this system. So first of all, we can check this how many devices there like network devices. This is a network device. How many devices available on the server? Command is there nmcli device show. device. So there is only one device is there, ENS33 general device, ENS33 type of the Ethernet, and there is no any here is no any active any not connected is there, disconnected is the network. And loopbacks automatically is the by default of the system loop backup of the network card is here. And this is general device is the VIR-BRO -NIC by default of the default of the system system device is there. And this is unmanaged of this is not connected to any IP address of the this of this server of this NIC kernel. So right now we are going to connect the IP address, how to connect the IP address of the servers, how to configure the IP address of the servers. So in case how to connect the servers is there, command here nmcli. Two type we can configure the IP address of the servers. First of all, graphical mode, and second thing the command lines. So right now we are talking about the command lines, telling to you how to configure the IP address is there on the server in the system. So command is there. First of all, we are execute the command nmcli connection add type, which type of the card in Ethernet, and connection name, anything you can there, connection name like the GCS, we are my institute name of the NM GCS, and if name is which which Ethernet card we assign this IP address. Our system is ES33 IP4 comma, we are going to the give the IP address anything 192.168.111. anything you can give the IP address, like we are going to 32, and net mask value is 24. Enter. Just a hold. Actually, some missing is there. Some problem I think is there. Some problems. Yeah. Yeah, connection added successfully. Some missing is there without space is there. IP4 after that giving the space, and the network successfully is there. And after that, how can check this network nmcli connection? So okay, my network is configured the assign in GCS. In check the device nmcli dev status. Check the dev status is you can see here NES30T, my network card, my device is there, Ethernet type, and connected. This device is connected in this name, connection for the name GCS. You can check here or GCS my connection name in this IP address assigned on this network card. You can check here right now. You can see, look into this display, and after that, how to check the IP address, which IP address is showing this hours network card IP space A command. You can see here. This is my IP address 192.168.111.32 on this network card is there. I configured the network IP address. I configured the IP address on this network card. This network card is IP address assign is here. You can see. Okay, and after that we are second command, how to check the which IP card, which ID, which network card assign the IP address command is IP ADDR. So ENS, sorry. So ENS33 card, which network, what is the IP address assigned this network card? We can say the particular command. We can check here. Suppose that we don't know about this IP address in this card. So now in this command, we can check this particular network address, particular network IDs, and we can check this IP address, which IP address, which card is available to here. So right now, after that, we can modify the IP address. So we can do a manually change the IP address, and and okay, and after that we can do modify the IP address. We can write the commands, modify the IP address, nmcli connection, modify connection name like a GCS में connection name right now, and IPv4 dot MET method or manual method manual IPv4 dot ADD dot addresses. Give the IP address like a 192 dot 192 dot 168 dot 111 dot 31. Give the IP address, and second IP address like the 192.168 dot 111 dot 32. Okay. Okay, allowed to, this is not allowed to a 32 IP address of the servers, so we can like the 30, and allow to actually fill the modify of the addresses. Just a hold, I think one missing is there. So right now 32 is there, just a hold. Not allowed, the prefix value is 20. Okay. Mm-hmm. Two of the IP address. I think one missing is there. Just okay, one missing is command there actually. Little bit short. Sometime I will talk to discuss in this case. Okay, if in case we are down this, leave it this command. So some missing this command is there, and next, how to connection the up and downs in this case, like we can do types of the down the network. If down, and give the connection name GCS. So now, yeah, successfully my device is successfully disconnected. Now we can check the NMCLI device status. We can check here NS30 Ethernet card disconnected, and now we can check the IP address available or not. You can see here the my network card is available, but disconnected. My IP address not showing in this our server. So right now, how to up this network cards, so NMCLI, yeah, if up, only if up command, if up, give the name of the connections. So my connection is up. Now we can check here. Command is there, NMCLI dev status. Okay, my ENS33 Ethernet connected is GCS, yes, okay. And now we can check the IP address available or not. So my IP address available 192.168.111.32 is available here. So this is a if up command, if down command, and we can do multiple commands like other commands. Other command we can do a down or up the network connection, NMCLI connection down. Give the name of the connection. GCS is my connection name. So my connection is down, and we can check these other commands. Yeah, successfully command execute successfully, and you can check here my network card available, but my IP address not showing this here. So disconnected my devices, check this other commands, nmcli dev status, check the status of the network card. Okay, my network card disconnected was available, but network card disconnected on the server. And how to up the network card with this same command, nmcli connection up, give the connection name gcs, my connection is executed successfully, connection activated. And how to check the nmcli device status. Now we can check the my ENS33 Ethernet connected and my IP address showing here 192.168.111.32. You can check here my connection and check the how many devices available to here in the servers. This command and check the status of this device status tab. Now we are able to hear to only one or two and three or four devices here, but my device is ENS33 and connection is there to GCS, my connection name, and ENS33 connected with GCS. Okay, and after that, how to check the route is the which route is going to the my IP address, which route is going to the service connected here. So check this IP space route. Now this is my route 192.168.111.0 is my route IP address here. And which device this device is connected ENS33 is the proto the kernel scope link is there, and this IP address of a server. You and how to check the port number. And the last video we have talking to about this port number SS-GULPN is here, and you can check here the multiple port of the assign or listening is here on this server. So right now we can check after this assign the network. You can start this network service. Status of the network service is there. Wow, my network service activity active and excited. My service is running is there. After anything, anytime we can change the IP address. It must be requirement of the restart of the network service. Command is there, systemctl restart, and the network services here. Restart of network service. Now enter. Okay, and check the status of the network. Wow, my network service is able to hear. Now you can check the active and loaded. Okay, and anytimes we can change the IP address. Now after change the network, we can do restart the service in mandatory after, because not is reflected of that kernel, so not reflect the IP address on the server. So in this case, it is a mandatory of the restart the network service. So we are checking this which file config file my connection is able to hear or not. Command is there, cd etc/sysconfig network -script. Going to this files and check this my IP address. You can check here my connection is there, IFCFG. And now we are going to open this file and check this my IP address able to hear or not. Command is there, cat / open this files, and okay, you can see, you can check here this config files. Now type the Ethernet baud protocol is none IP address. This is my IP address of the server, prefix value and 24. This value of this value netmask value is 24, and default route is yes IP for the failure fatals. You can see the multiple parameters there in this files. and mostly my name, server's name is a GCS, my connection name, and UID of the servers, and device is the Ethernet. My device is ENS33. On boot is yes. On boot yes, because after going the servers down, it automatically booting the time my IP address automatically up and running fine is here, and we can do directly the change the IP address without commands, without commanding change the IP address. So in this case, we are going to check. We are going to this config file /etc/sys config network hyphen script ifcfg. Give the name of the network card by connection names, and you can change here of the IP address. Anything right now we can give the IP address. Anything now we can do the one last parameter we change here. As per requirement, you can change any IP address. Give this here. So right now we are going to this IP address 55 and save file, save and exit, and check this IP address is same here. This is not a changing IP not showing. Is the before change the IP address showing is here, but after that we are going to start the network service. Okay, network service is executed successfully, and then I will check this IP address. Okay, my IP address is after then changing in restart the service 192.168.1.55. This is reflected on the config file of the network service. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me anything anytime. So guys, very good morning. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Any doubts? Any doubt, guys? Okay, no doubts. Thank you. Thank you very much. Meet you next class. Thank you.